Welcome to one more installment of Jones College of Business Tech Tips. In this video, we're going to talk about Zoom and the various or different views that the students may have of your Zoom presentation. As you know, when you host a Zoom meeting, you get a script similar to this. So at the top, we have the different cameras that are on with the participants in here. This is the default view that I get because I am the host. Now, the default view that Zoom has is the speaker view. Now, some of you might default to gallery view, which is fine. Gallery view is fine. That's what you can see, and that's one of the standard views if you have multiple participants, okay? So, what I want to show you, however, is that your students may be seeing something similar or no. Actually, more than likely no. So let me show you what one of my students participants is seeing. This is what my student participant is seeing, okay? Is seeing a speaker view of the meeting. Speaker view of the meeting. And you can check right here that he is in the speaker mode. You see that? Now, let's go to another participant. Let's go to the next participant, the next student. And he is in a gallery view. So this is a view similar to the one that I have, the one that we are recording, okay? And he's in gallery view, as you can see. So if you're having a meeting and this is a lecture that you want to talk about topics, etc., this view might work if you want everybody to talk. But if you're doing a lecture in which you want the student to focus on you, not in what the other students are doing, which is normally the case. You know, sometimes you are speaking and suddenly somebody gets up or the dog comes in this image and all the eyes of all the participants goes to the dog or goes to the baby, whatever. So the best way to do it, to ensure that everybody gets your view in the large area of the screen, is using the spotlight feature of Zoom. So you go right here to the video and it says spotlight for everyone, or spotlight this video, depending on the version that you're using. When you do that, you go to this view. This view is basically the main host, the speaker, will be in the large area. Because you selected the spotlight feature, everybody gets the same view. You will be large in all the views. So let's go back to our participants. This is one of the participants. Right now he is in the speaker view, basically. As you can see, the video appears large. Let's go to the other participant. And this is somebody else. This is Knowles, and it also have the video. Notice that this is one participant, Knowles. We're going to go to Nagel now. Nagel, this is Nagel, and he also have the same view. So when you spotlight a video, you ensure that everybody's have the same view. You are going to appear in there as the main person. Okay? And that's what you want to do. I'm going to remove the spotlight. Now, one important characteristic of this, when you remove the spotlight, everybody's view goes back to the default of a speaker view. Now, this is important because sometimes you want to emphasize this, okay? You want to make sure your screen appears in the center in large so they can focus their attention in you, not in everybody else's, what everybody else is doing in the videos. Now, when you share a screen, something similar happens in the sense that the share screen appears large in the area. So I'm going to share a screen just to show you here. Share this screen. But you, as the host, you have a different view. As you can see, you got a different view right here. This is my view in which I see what I am sharing right here and the camera right here. Now I'm going to minimize this because I'm going to show you what the other students see. So the first one is Knowles. She has this view. Notice that the speaker view is the default in here, so this is what she sees. Now, when you are in here, one important characteristic that you might have noticed is as soon as you share your screen, these particular attendees switch to full screen view. Now they are in full screen view. They also have this side-by-side feature that you can size the videos. You see that? size the videos like that. So that's something new that happens. I'm gonna minimize this view and I'm gonna go to the next one, that is Naggle. Now Naggle had by default the gallery view. That's what he can see, 3 videos in here. If there are more participants, he will see more and they can scroll up and down. Knowles, the previous participant, she had the speaker view. She only sees 1 video in that area. And again, it is in full screen view and you have this side-by-side feature to make the videos or the share area larger. So those are the 2 characteristics. So gallery view or a speaker view. So when I stop sharing this, I go back to my, in this case, default view that was a speaker. I'm going to change it to gallery, and that's what we have in here. So I hope this illustrates the different views that the student can have, the ability for you to make your video the central focus of your presentation using the spotlight feature. Also realize that when you share the screen, the students may be in full screen and they can use that slide bar to make your presentation area or the videos larger or smaller. And again, that depends on the student's client if they are in full screen or not. But thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you use the spotlight feature, especially if you have lecture videos in which you want the student to focus on yourself, on your lecture, not in everybody else's cameras. Thank you very much.